are we today?
At the aquarium.
What are you doing?
I'm feeding the boy.
Okay.
Here we go. They ate it.
They ate it?
Yeah.
What did you feed them?
Pizza.
They must love it. Here you go. Here's one more. No, use this. Okay, last one.
They ate it, Mommy.
Oh! Are you glad to feed them?
Yeah. Now, did you like me? Wait up to me. I'm going to cut those body.
No, sit down, sit down. Okay, last crumb.
Okay.
Tell them it's the last one.
It's the last one. Here we go. He ate it.
Okay, say goodbye, birds. We're gonna tell them where we're going next to see what.
We are going to go and see the Dora.
The Dora 4D experience. All right.
Dora 4D experiment.
All right.
Bye.
Bye-bye.